The next topic is change of order of integration. To integrate with respect to y first, we will consider strip parallel to y-axis and integrate with respect to y, treating x as constant, and then integrate with respect to x. That is, in order to integrate with respect to y first, we shall consider strip parallel to y-axis, and in order to integrate with respect to x first, consider strip parallel to x-axis. So this is the example that evaluate in double integration over r x square plus y square dx dy by expressing it as repeated integrals in two different ways. That is, integrate with respect to x first, then with respect to y. This is the first way, and then integrate with respect to y first, and then integrate with respect to x. This is the second way. That is why to solve this example in both ways. Given that each integral exists where r is the region in the xy plane bounded by y is equal to x square, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. So first draw the figure. Draw line x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. So this is the x is equal to 2 line, which is parallel to x y axis. X is equal to 2 means the line passes through point 2 and is parallel to y axis, and y is equal to 1 is the line parallel to x axis passing through point 1 at a distance 1 from the origin. So this is y is equal to 1. Okay, and then y is equal to x square is the equation of parabola. X square means around y axis and above y axis, x axis, because y is equal to plus x square. So it is the parabola is above x axis and is around y axis because x square is there. So around y axis. So draw this parabola, and then the region in xy plane, this is the region bounded by. So y is equal to 4 is also given. Y is equal to 4. So if you draw the region, so what is that? Y is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. This line cuts this point in the point 2, 4. Okay, so draw the parabola, draw the line y is equal to 1, draw the line x is equal to 2. And so this is the shaded region is the region of integration. Shaded region is the region of integration. So we can find the point of intersection. How we can find this point of intersection? Solve this line equation, two equations. What are the point of intersection? This point is the intersection of the line x is equal to 2 and this parabola y is equal to x square. If we substitute x is equal to 2 in y is equal to x square, then y square is what? Y is equal to x square. Substitute x as 2, then y is 4. So 2, 4 is this point of intersection of the line x is equal to 2 and this parabola y is equal to x square. Okay, similarly we can find the point coordinate of this point also. Okay, so by solving the two equations. Sorry. Then this shaded region is the region of integration. Now we have to solve this problem in two ways. Now double integration over r, this integration over r x square plus y square dx dy is equal to, now we will first integrating with respect to y first, and that's why take a strip parallel to y axis. Take a strip parallel to y axis. This is the strip parallel to y axis. Okay, then then with respect to y first means limit is on y. This integration, the limit is on y because we have to integrate first y, and then with respect to x means this limit is on x. So write y is equal to here, write x is equal to. And so how we can write the limit of y? Consider this strip. This strip touches to the point, one end of this strip touches to the line y is equal to 1, and so find y, value of y, it is 1. So y is equal to 1, its lower limit, and the upper end of this or another end of this strip touches to the parabola curve y is equal to x square. So from this find value of y, which is x square. So 1 to x square is the lower limit and upper limit. Okay, The one end of the strip touches to the line y is equal to 1. So from that, value of y is 1. And another end touches to the curve y is equal to x square. From it, y is equal to x square is the value of y. X square is the value of y, and therefore x square is the upper limit. And in order to cover this area, we have to move this strip from this point to this point. So at this point, x is 1. At this point, x is 1. And at this point, x is 2. So 1 to 2 is the limit of x. Okay. So how we can find this point of intersection? So this y is equal to 1 and y is equal to x square. So this point is what? If we substitute y is equal to 1, then x square is 1, and therefore x is plus minus 1. So this point is 1, 1. Y is 1, x is 1. Okay, 1, 1. So this point, coordinate of this point is 1, 1. So x is 1, this line is x is 1. And then in order to cover this area, total area, we have to move this strip from this point to this point. Therefore, x runs from 1 to 2. And then solve the integration very simply. Simple method, that is integrating with respect to y. First means x is constant. So x square integration is x square into y, because keeping x as constant, because x is constant means x square is constant, and integration of constant is what? Constant into variable. Variable is y. Y square integration y cube by 3, lower limit, upper limit, value at the lower limit. Substitute y as x square. We have this answer. Minus, right here round bracket, right square bracket, then round bracket value by substituting y is equal to x square in round bracket. This is round bracket. Minus, again round bracket, and value of this bracket at y is equal to 1. That is substitute y is equal to 1. We have in round bracket x square plus 1 by 3. And then effect of minus become x minus x square minus 1 by 3 after simplification. So one more step, right here, one more step. That write square bracket, then write two round brackets. In first round bracket, write the value of value at the upper limit, minus in the second round bracket, substitute the value as y is equal to 1, that is the value at lower limit. And then we have this step, and then integrating with respect to x. So the integration of x raised to 4 is x raised to 5 by 5. Similarly, integration of x raised to 6, x square. 1 by 3 is constant, its integration is 1 by 3 into x, that is x by 3, 1 to 2 upper. Then write the value of x is as 2, that is the value at upper limit. This is the bracket, minus the value of this bracket at lower limit, that is substitute x is equal to 1. We have this. After calculating this calculation, we have this answer. Okay, by using calculator. Same problem. Now we have to integrate with respect to x first, and so the same figure, draw the same figure, but take a strip parallel to x axis, because we have to integrate with respect to x first. So no need to write this description, directly write double integration over r x square plus y square dx dy is equal to. Now the arrangement of bracket is this, what? Here write curly bracket, in curly bracket write limit x runs from what to what? X is equal to, then x square plus y square dx, and then out of curly bracket write dy integration y runs from. Now the integration is with respect to x first. So how you can write this limit? So the structure is what? X runs from dx and y runs from. So, and how you can write the limit? That is that strip parallel to x axis, because we have to integrate with respect to x first. So take strip parallel to x axis, the same figure, and then its one end of this strip touches to this left end touches to the curve y is equal to x square. So solving this, find the value of x from this equation. Y is equal to x square means x is root y. So root y is the lower limit, and the other end of the strip touches to the line x is equal to 2. So we find the value of x, which is 2. So upper limit is 2. So lower limit is root y, upper limit is 2. Okay. So instead of this, we can also we can write x is equal to 2 as lower limit, x is equal to root y as the upper limit. If you change the position of the lower limit and upper limit, then what is the difference between the two answers? There is a difference of sign. So if we have the negative sign, then make it positive, because it is the integration over area, And area is always positive. So if you have negative answer, then take the positive answer as the final answer. So these are the lower limit and upper limit of x. And now y. In order to cover this area, total area, shaded area, we have to move this strip point from this point to this point. We have to move this strip from this point to this point. And at this point, y is 1, and at this point, y is 4. And so limit of y is 1 to 4. And then integrating with respect to x first. So x is constant, x is a variable, y is constant. So x square, x cubed by 3, y square is constant, y square integration is, integration of constant is what? Constant into variable, y square into x, from x is equal to root y to 2. Then write in square bracket. Now write in round bracket the value of this bracket at x is equal to 2, means substitute x as 2, we have this value, minus in another round bracket substitute x as root y, and then after negative effect of negative sign on that bracket, we have this. And then its integration with respect to y. 8 by 3 is constant, so its integration is 8 by 3 into y, because integration is with respect to y. Then y square, y cubed by 3, y raised to 3 by 2, integration is y raised to 3 by 2 plus 1, means y raised to 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2, and y raised to 5 by 2, integration is y raised to 5 by 2 plus 1 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1, means y raised to 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2. Divided by 7 by 2 means multiply by 2 by 7. And then value at the upper limit, that is substitute y as 4, we have this answer. Substitute y as 1, we have this answer. And then after calculating this subtraction, we have this answer. So in both methods, we have the same answer by using both methods. So if we have to change the order, then what is the, this is given suppose, and we have to change the order, then this is the answer now. Okay, so next problem is like that, change the order. Here we have to just change the order. So in order to change the order of integration, figure is important. So draw the figure. First draw the figure, and the integrand is not important. So here the integrand, that is whose integration is, we have to find that function is not given fxy, and it is not necessary, it is not required to change the order. This function is not required to change the order. The function, the changing of order is depend on the limit. So we are given this integration from 0 to 2a and 0 to root 2a x minus x square. That is, this is the limit on y. This is the limit on y, and this is the limit on x. Because this is in terms of x, means it is a limit on y. So what is given? Y is equal to, so y is equal to, we are given y is equal to root 2ax minus x square. Then taking square of both sides, what we have? Y is equal to right, y is equal to root 2ax minus x square. Therefore y square is equal to 2ax minus x square. Y square is equal to 2ax minus x square, and therefore x square minus 2ax plus x square minus 2ax plus y square is equal to 0. So no need to write this description. Directly write y is equal to root 2ax minus x square. Therefore, taking square of both sides, we have y square is equal to 2ax minus x square, and therefore x square minus 2x plus y square is equal to 0. And so from this we have x is equal to, by using the rule, minus b plus minus root b square minus 4a in a is 1, c is y square divided by 2a. So we have this answer. So this is the quadratic equation in x. This is the quadratic equation. This is x square, means ax square plus bx plus b is what? Minus 2a plus c is y square. So minus b plus minus root b square minus 2a square is 4a square, minus 4a is 1, and c is y square. So we have this answer, x is equal to a plus minus root a square minus y square. And this this is the equation of circle with center a0. This is the equation of circle with center a0. This x square minus a twice ax plus y square is equal to 0. So this is the equation of circle. If there is a square of x as well as y, then it is the equation of circle, ellipse, or hyperbola. Okay, so this is the represent circle. So what is the equation of circle? Actually, the equation of circle in standard form is what? X square plus y square is equal to r square. And in general form, the equation of circle is what? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. And its center is what? Minus g minus f is its center. So what is the center? It is if we compare this equation with respect to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, then 2g is minus 2a 2gx. So g is what? G is a plus 2g. G is minus a. And if we and f is 2gx plus 2fy. 2fy is 0, means f is 0, and therefore the center is a0. A0 is the center, and radius is root g square minus g square plus f square minus c. So g square is minus a square is plus a square, and its root is a. So radius is a. So compare this equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. We get the center and radius. Okay. So the diagram of this is what? This is the diagram. The circle having radius a and center a0. And this is y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means x-axis. Okay, so this is the half part of the circle, because y is 0 is the lower limit. Y is 0 means x-axis. So the area, and x is equal to y is equal to x is equal to 0 means y-axis, and x is equal to 2a means this, x is equal to 2a. So the area bounded by all these curves is this shaded portion. Y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2a, and this x square minus 2x plus y square. So this is the area bounded by this is shaded portion. Now we have to change the order. Here is the integration is with respect to y first. Now we have to integrate with respect to x first, and that's why take strip parallel to x-axis. Then double integration 0 to 2a, 0 to root 2ax minus x square fxy dydx. This integration is equal to integration fxy dx dy, right? Dy dx replace dy dx by dx dy, because we have to integrate now with respect to x first. And so this is the limit on x, right? So write x is equal to, and here write y is equal to. So x is equal to limit, lower limit is what? This strip one end, it's touches to the curve x square minus 2x plus y square, the equation of circle, and another end also touches to the same circle. And so we have find the two values of x from this equation, and write one value at the lower limit and one value as upper limit. So the two values of x are what? A minus root a square minus y square, and the another value is a plus root a square minus y square. So lower limit and upper limit of x. So in order to integrate with respect to x first, take strip parallel to x-axis, and one end touches to the same circle, and another end touches to the same circle. So from this equation of circle, find the values of x. Do we have the two values of x? And so write one value as lower limit and another value as upper limit. So instead of write here upper limit, we can write the lower limit as upper limit and upper limit as lower limit. And now the limit on y are what? So in order to cover this shaded region, we have to uh, move this strip from this point to this point. Okay, this point to this point, or this point to this point. So at this point y is 0, and at this point y is a. So the limit of y are 0 to a. Okay, so here the order of the integration change with respect to x first, then with respect to y. So the same question, evaluate by changing the order of integration, that is change the order and then evaluate. Okay, so we first draw the region of integration from the limit. So this x to infinity is limit on y. So draw y is equal to x, y is equal to x, y is equal to infinity. So y is equal to x and y is equal to infinity means y is equal to infinity, y tends to infinity. And this is the limit on x, x is equal to 0. This is the limit in terms of x, that's why it is on y, x, y limit on y. This y is equal to x, x is limit on y. Then 0 to infinity is limit on x. So x is equal to 0 means y axis, x is equal to 0 means y axis. And so this is the unbounded area, y and x tends to infinity. So this is this portion, that is x is equal to 0 means y axis, and this y is equal to x. So this unbounded portion is the area of integration. And now we have to change the order first. So here is the right double integration over x to infinity, 0 to infinity, e raised to y d by dx, that is this integration, right? This is equal to. Now the structure is what? Write the same integrand, that is e raised to minus y by y. Write dy dx instead of dy dx, write dx dy. And then write here x is equal to, write here y is equal to. Now we have to write the limit of x first. So in order to integrate with respect to x first, take strip parallel to x axis. Then one end of this strip touches to the line x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 is the lower limit. And another line touches to the line y is equal to x, means x is equal to y is the upper limit. So write x is equal to 0, x is equal to y as upper limit. And then in order to cover this area, total area, this is unbounded area, we have to move this strip from this point to up to infinity. So y runs from 0 to infinity. Y runs from 0 to infinity. Because we have to cover this area, we have to move this strip from this point to up to infinity. This point to up to infinity. So 0 to y runs from, here write y is equal to 0, y is equal to infinity. And then we have to integrating first with respect to x, then e raised to minus y by y is constant. So its integration is e raised to minus y by y into x. The integration of constant is what? Constant into x, because x is variable. From 0 to y, e raised to minus y by y is constant. Value of upper limit is y, value at lower limit is 0. And then y get cancelled, e raised to minus y. So minus e raised to minus y is its integration, e raised to minus y, integration e raised to minus y divided by minus 1. Okay, that is, we have this. And then value at the upper limit, e raised, substitute y as infinity, y. E raised to minus infinity means 1 by e raised to infinity, and e raised to infinity is infinity, and 1 by infinity is 0. So e raised to minus infinity is 0, minus e raised to 0 is 1. So we have the answer plus 1. So here the question is what? Evaluate the integration by changing the order. So change the order and then integrate. And if the question is just that evaluate this integration, then also we have to change the order, because if we integrate e raised to minus y by y with respect to y first, then it's become complicated. That's why we have to change the order of integration. So in some examples, the changing of order is a requirement of that example. that is the question is just simplify or evaluate the integration. But uh, if we, if the order is not changed, such examples, then integration may become so complicated. So here is to e raised to minus y by y with respect to y, integration becomes complicated, unsolvable, and that's why change the order. So in some example, the changing of order is the requirement of that example. In order to simplify the integration, we have to change the order of integration. And in some example, the question is like this, that evaluate by changing the order. Then in that case, we have to change the order. So we have also discussed these problems. So we will discuss these problems of changing of order in the next lecture. So discuss in the next lecture.